We are pleased to show you the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.